Okay, this is the UV light with a fan, interconnected to a XL4015, a regulator. As usual, the UV light takes up 2.84 amperes and the fan about 350 up to half of an ampere. So in this way, at first I connect them to a power supplier, and then with these two potentiometers, one for the voltage and the another one is for the ampere. Here we have 400 T's, and now it drops down and it loses the amounts of luma or the lightness. 200 T's, 300, and this is 400. That's the way it's done. You can even make it inside your home instead of buying them pre-made it. This is 10 watt UV light, 12 volts. This is XL4015 and 12 volt 8x8 CPU fan or regular fan, whatever you can find. Bye bye.